Alright, guys. Let's do today my big boy dice cube. Let's play a little bit with this mage. See what happened. This is my alliance mage. And he's a little chat. Look at this guy. Look at this boy. Look at this big boy. This is the trading post. I was looking around. It's very cool, eh? It's very cool. It has some.
See my wares.
It has some reward. I have 1,600 traders tender. I have this mount already. And there is some cool things, huh? There is Lisbeth. But I don't know if I should buy something or not. You know? Or I should keep my things. Maybe for another mount. Because, you know, these things are cool, but I don't know. This could be good, maybe, if it wasn't pink. But I think pink is, you know, it's the irony that is pink. You know, it should be, maybe it should be pink. I don't know. It looks good, this one, though. It's 100 traders. I have 1,600. I was logging in all my characters, and you know, I think it's account-wise. You don't go up. You can do this one time. They give this to me. I didn't do this. I think the 1,000 is for buying the expansion. You know, the deluxe expansion. I have a lot of points. I think this is good. The pet is good, but you know, you never use a pet. I mean, you always forget. This is cool though. This could be good for my shaman. This mace. This could be good for the shaman, man. But I don't know. I will wait a little bit.
I'll be right
And
here for you.
there is okay. So yeah, there is a lot of people here doing the things. There is a lot of people doing all the things here. With my little mage, with my little boy. Look at this. This is Argent Down server. So I will go to the auction house to buy a bag for the regions. This guy has tailored an engineer. And we will do some Dragon Isles, you know? Have some fun. See what this guy can do. He has some cool spells. Let me check the containers. I need region bag, a cheap one. This one, the cheapest one. Buy one. Thank you. All right. What else can I take with me? I have a fishing. I used to play this mage a lot in Draenor. I played this mage a lot in Warlords of Draenor. I remember that. Yeah. I was in love with the mage back then. Alright, let's go. I didn't do the Alliance side yet. This is the first one that I do. I was doing Horde. I did like 5 characters to 70 in Horde. But I didn't do Alliance. This is my first one. So we should go out there. It's out here. I don't have to go inside, right? No, it's here. This is my first alliance with my boy Dice Cube.
Here is the hero I spoke of.
Alright. Let's see.
You stand before the Black Prince.
Listen unto Ration.
The
Alright.
Black Dragonflight will be redeemed. I am pleased that you have accepted our invitation to the Dragon Isles, Lord Commander.
During the dark days of the Cataclysm,
Uh-oh.
the Aspects made great sacrifices to save our world. The Alliance
I
will
remember.
answer the call and stand together with Dragonkind once again.
Alexstrasza shall be most appreciative. Though she will insist that you do not bring any lingering conflicts to her shores.
Okay.
You have my word that this will be an expedition, not a military maneuver.
We will kill everybody.
Honor our truce with the Horde. I have instructed the Explorers League to work in concert with the Reliquary.
Just think of all the
No
extra
one will be
knowledge we
safe.
can discover together.
The Dragon Isles is our home, not a place for outsiders to plunder.
All
the
right.
Drakthir will accompany the Alliance on this journey, but it will take time to build trust between us.
As a fellow
Okay.
soldier, I share your wariness, Azurathal.
They are not happy, these guys.
Splendid. You two have found common ground already. Now then, let us begin preparations for our voyage.
Look at my boy there.
The Dragon Isles await.
All right. That's good. Let's go.
Pleased to meet you.
Okay. Recruit the artisans. Like
Spotted
you,
some
okay.
promising crew members as I
We
was
did that
flying
in the
over
horde
city.
too.
Round 'em up, and let's get to it.
It should be the same thing. I mean, you know, you do the same thing. This Torwin. That's it. Oh, look at this boy here.
How can I help you?
Let's go, baby.
Keep those irons in the fire. New adventures? Oh, I'm game. When there's work to be done,
Okay.
my hammer's always
The
ready
cataloger.
to be put
We
to
need
good
to
use.
recruit. All right.
See you at the
What is this
docks.
guy? Oh, that's a bad boy. That's a bad boy mount. What is that, man? Oof. Oh boy.
Breathing room, please. My admirers need space to appreciate
Look at that bad
the
boy.
helm.
What is
Duty
that?
calls. Now, if you'll excuse
Damn.
me, I must be
Ah,
off to
that's
make
that's
a
the
name for
Diablo
myself
thingy,
in the
right?
splendiferous
When you
Dragon
pre-purchase Diablo thing. Okay. What is this guy? Oh, it's this one. All right.
Let us begin. Remain steadfast.
Recruit
The
more
Drakthir
explorers.
Stand ready.
All right. Let's go. Let's go to the docks, baby. There you go. This boy.
Sprockets. I have miscalculated.
All
Don't
right.
panic. We've prepared for this.
Let's go. It's time for the tea
Expedition to the Dragon Isles.
Oh boy.
Sounds fun. But they've
It
got
is
plenty
fun,
of
yes.
soaring
Let's go.
peaks to climb. Wrap it up, trainees. We're moving out.
All right.
Let's get moving. Plenty to be done.
We need to accept this guy here. Oh,
Sorcery, we're under attack.
hello,
Be
Khadgar.
at ease,
You
Toddy.
remember me?
This is a friend, not a foe.
Remain.
All right. We see that. We see this many, many times. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
I have been expecting you.
All right.
Well, the expedition boat shouldn't be long now. Make a friend or two while you wait for it.
Okay. I will. Until now, it's always the same. Exactly the same for the Horde and for the Alliance.
Go first, but I've got a story after.
I like it. I was playing it a little bit last night, you know, because this mage was level 55, I think, so I have to do some levels to go to Dragon Isles. And it was okay. It was fun. We will see if we don't get wrecked in the Dragon Isles. I got the toy. I got the Goblin Weather Machine. This is the best toy in game. By far. Look at this. Look at this toy. Mix it with this, with the Grimoire. It's the perfect mage toy.
You get lots of pictures in the Dragon Isles,
Ah,
Wolford.
and I have to take the
Imagine
other
all
one.
the ancient wonders we'll
The,
be discovering.
where is it? I have a lot, man. There is the other one. The Frostbreath, I think it's called. Where is it, man? Frost something? No, not this one. This is a good one too. Let me check here. Frost, I think it's Frostbreath. I don't. This one, this Stolen Breath. This is good for the mage too. For the frost mage, I mean. You know? And the goblin, for the frost mage, the goblin toy is...
You really want to
It's
fly
top
your
tier, man.
airship into a sky full of dragons, Ensign? Besides, our tide sages are putting in work.
I suppose that is an understandable fear for a flightless creature.
Alright. Look at this guy here.
What can I do for you?
This is cool, man. Alright. Let's keep going. Frosty fun. Let's get some frosty fun. Oh, I got this thingy. Okay. Something else? Let me put the skills, baby. Real fast. Yes. Yes.
Looky there, wild
Let's go.
feather. A whole new land to explore.
This one will do
Mountains
this
to
one.
climb.
This one, alright.
Ruins to delve.
New species to
This one.
discover.
This one.
Award-winning photographs to take.
I don't like that you have to do it every time.
Famous
This thing.
dragon autographs to acquire. And flip far above
And
resale
let's
value.
do this.
Focus.
And
Obsidian
this,
borders.
like
Stay
this.
alert on approach.
There you go. Alright. Where is it? Where are the boys? There you go. Oh boy. Hello? Let me put the dragon in here too, so I can dismount really fast. This one here, so I can dismount like this fast. All right.
What adventure brings you here? Can I join?
Of course you can.
Fire away!
What is this monkey man?
Best keep moving.
Rathian
Follow
said
the
he would
path
meet us
and
at the
kill
gates
everybody.
atop
All right.
the hill.
This is a little bit. This is different from the
If it
horde.
is, then I will be ready to defend my
Oh,
allies.
I didn't know. What is this? A fishing
Are you
trainer?
in need of assistance?
Yes, sir.
Keep me updated.
Train me.
Build it, test it, deploy it.
All right. There is an innkeeper in there. All right, that's cool. So we have to kill this guy. Let's go. All right. We need to kill these guys, right? All right. All right. Oh, look. Oh, that's good. That's good. Let's do this too. Can I do it? I will die here? Wait. Okay. Oh my god, I survived. I thought it was dead meat. Alright. That's weird. Okay. I really thought I was gonna die there. Oh my god. That's good. Oh wait. Oh my god, I have to these fucking add-ons, man. They are so broken, man. You have constantly problems, constantly. You have to reload. It's insane. I mean, for how long this will go with the add-ons? You have to constantly reload. All right. Let's put this and let's go. Ah. All right. Beautiful. Perfect. All right, let's go. Is the music okay? No, it needs a little bit of power. Now it's okay. I couldn't hear anything. Dude, there is a lot of mobs in here, eh? In the horse side, there is not this much mobs. Oh. It feels a little weird without the pet, you know? But I think this is better, man. This is the Lonely Winter talent. You know? It's weird that you don't have a pet as a mage. Alright. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. He can take it, eh? He can take the pain, eh? He's good. Look at this. Oh boy, he's coming. Alright. Weather machine. These epic toys, man, are so good. It's so good. These epic toys. It's insane. And I have a splitting eyes too. So you see how the thingy splits when there is mobs around? That's good too. Alright. That's cool. It looks good. I thought it was going to be a lot of suffering, you know, to level a mage, but we will see, of course. Maybe it is. Maybe I don't have a clue what I'm saying. But I think they are supposed to be bad in this expansion, the Mage, the Frost. I don't know. Let's go. Look at that Weather Goblin toy, man. It's so cool, man. And we got it for free. That's even better. Oh. Uh-oh. Alright. Look at this. Beautiful. This toy goes so well with the mage. It's unreal. The goblin weather. It goes so well, man. I think this toy was made for the mage, for the frost mage. Let's kill these babies here. Let's throw this. Look at this. Here, look at this damage. He's doing some damage, eh? You have to remember that my ear is shut, right? You need to remember that. I don't have nothing. I am literally naked in here. Oh, that's the same with the Horde? The same cave? Yes, it is the same cave. It's this guy, right? Okay. This guy? Can I go up? Thank you very much. I need to kill one of these guys. Let's do this one. I like it so far, eh? You're done, baby. Alright. Let's go. Oh my god.
I am honored to make your acquaintance, Syndrax.
So yes, this is the same.
Helmet!
This is the same part.
Let's see what you've got.
Ready to serve? Yes. I had expected Major Domo Solistra and Rathian to be here by now.
Alright.
But I am honored to be the one to welcome you to the Dragon Isles. On my first real assignment, no less. What good fortune. Welcome to the Dragon Isles.
Alright. Let me check. Alright. The walking shorts. Let's take this one. Walking shorts. Alright.
I never gave up hope.
Alright. That's cool. We are doing the storyline. We are doing the storyline only with this guy. And maybe we'll do some dungeons if we get to 70. You know, if it's cool enough.
May I offer?
Let's do this
Find
home.
nothing better in the Isles.
Let's do cooking in here. Of course. So we are, why not? Let's go. And the flight pad. This guy. Okay. We need to find the thingies, eh? What is this?
We have a mission to accomplish.
The waters flow again.
I think they are over there. The engineer. We need to find the engineering guy.
So you two were adversaries before leading this expedition together?
He's somewhere in there. Wait a minute.
Highness, the Horde and Alliance have a long history of
This is
rivalry. But Tori and I
the
pursue
engineering
knowledge,
guy.
not
Let's do this.
Violence.
Get it out of the way.
Adventure.
Train me.
Knowledge is only half the fun.
All right.
Glad I could help.
And this is the tailoring guy.
goods are exquisite. What is your pleasure?
Cool.
Not find a better bargain.
This guy?
Death to all who
I will talk to you later, baby. Okay, let's make.
Welcome, honored guest. Take this guide. It shows the embassy's many amenities.
Let's sign the
If
book,
they
baby.
weren't all in disrepair.
We will do Dice Cube. No, we will do Dice Cube, the King of Dragons, and we will do after everyone's done setting up, because the purpose of your visit. You tell me. I don't read quests. I just complete it.
What a joy it
Which
is
is
to
true.
see new signatures in the visitor's log.
We told the
After
truth.
all these years.
Let me. There is a portal guy in here. Oh man, I don't know. He should. Maybe the portal guy is in the capital city, right? I don't think he's here, right? Let me check here. Trade goods, skinning training. I don't think there will be a portal guide in here, right? I mean, so this is horror. These are the horror guys. Jewel crafting, artisan guilds, trade goods. Nah, enchanting. Nah. That is. I don't think there is a portal trainer here. Archaeology? What? What is he selling though? Look at that. I cannot pass there, man. He's selling something? The archaeologist? You saw that? Oh my god, I cannot go there. What is he selling? Set up a survival equipment so it looks as you're doing something very important. Okay,
Do check back for new stock, friend.
let's check it. Let's check it. Let me see. Oh wow! Look at this. I didn't know about this, man. Oh, that's cool. People know about
Queen
this?
Alexstrasza is far more impressive than any statue you'll find in the Isles.
Alright. Let's light the flame. Beautiful.
May this brazier once more guide every peaceful denizen of Azeroth.
Look at that goblin weather machine, man. It's awesome.
Welcome to the Dragon Isles.
Alright, let's go.
Ready to serve. We were trained to only use these signal flares if the situation is dire.
This is a situation.
I suppose this is a type of emergency.
Of course it is. And I have this map too. I have the 30-year anniversary
will
map.
arrive soon.
Does the Major Domo personally respond to every call for help?
Oh, yes. In times of trouble, there is no one Queen Alexstrasza trusts more.
Alright.
Here they come.
Let's go, baby.
Incredible.
How can this guy can be a dragon, man?
Look who we have
You
here.
know?
We saw the flare and assumed
That's
the
an
worst.
insult to
What
dragons.
is wrong, Cadet Sandrax?
Major Domo, the new arrivals were wondering where you were, and I thought...
I see.
Alright.
There was a reason for our absence. An ancient rival, the Jarradin, have stirred to violence once again. Dragonheart Outpost has already fallen.
Okay, let's go.
Is there something you wish to discuss?
Look at this
We
guy,
call
man.
the strong.
Can you believe we take orders from
I
this
will
guy?
await you. Cadet Sandrax, escort the adventurer to Commander Lethanak outside Dragonheart Outpost. Assist with the evacuation of the whelplings and wounded.
Alright.
Yes, Major Domo.
Rathian and I will take to the skies and keep the Jarradin contained inside Scalecracker Keep.
Do hurry along, champion. After all, we wouldn't want the battle to be over before you even arrive.
Don't worry, baby.
Engage only when the whelplings and wounded are secure. The rest of the visitors must remain here until it is safe to leave the embassy.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna miss all the fun.
What is this guy? Toddy Whiskers?
We each have a duty before us.
Is he
By
a,
wing
is she
or
a,
by
she's a
paladin,
girl, right?
See it done.
Okay.
Oh, do you need my help?
We'll launch
Let's go,
expeditions
Sandra.
to every corner of these isles as soon as it's safe to do so.
Let's keep
Where's
moving,
the
Sandra.
fun in being safe?
Let me drink my some tea, Sandra. Relax. Wait a minute, okay? Let me take this, and we will go. All right? Okay. One more second. All right. Thank you.
Welcome to the Dragon Isles. We'll move swiftly. Dragonheart Outpost isn't far.
Let's go. Let's go, baby.
According to legend, The Jaredin are the dragon's most formidable rivals. They were ruthless and
I am the
powerful,
war most
killing
formidable rider.
countless dragons in ancient times.
Don't let your eyes fool you. I
When
can
the
be
dragons
short,
left
but I am
and
the best
land
rider.
went dormant,
Look at this.
so too did the Jaredin slumber.
Look at this dragon that I have. Look. Look. Okay.
But now, the land itself reawakens with glorious life. May we never tire of its beauty.
Okay, relax. Don't worry. Let's
We
go.
dragonids have stayed vigilant as we safeguarded the Oath Stones.
Look at
symbols
this
of
toy,
the
man.
Dragonflight's power.
I love this toy, man. The Goblin
return of
model.
the
It's so
Jaredin
cool,
will
man.
test
That
us
they
to the
give us
limit.
this.
May we prove worthy of the challenge.
It's so good for the mage, man. Look at this. You see? I was telling you that I am the best rider in the world. Look. Look. This is good.
Commander Leatherneck, Cadet Sendrex
Commander
and Allied
Leatherneck.
reporting on the Major Domo's orders.
I'm here. It's your boy.
The Shrine Guard protect. I am
All right.
trusting you with the lives of my brethren.
I will defend them. Ooh, these are big boys. Let's go. Man, I wish I had sun here, man. This will take a while. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Oh, I need this. Okay. Oh boy. Let's go. Let's go. One of these. All right. Oh my god. Dude, look at my ear is so shut you cannot kill this mob. Wow. I should have buy something, man. Maybe, right? I should have buy some cheap shit before I came here, man. You know what I mean? What level? Let me check my weapon, man. Oh boy, that's bad. Oh, that's very bad. Oh my god. This will take a while, eh? Maybe I should go buy something, man. You know? Let's do that. Let's see. Let's go for a moment to Dalaran. I'm an engineer, so you know it will be fast, man. Let's see if there is a weapon or something, man. This is very bad, man. Something, you know, something, some cheap shit that we can take, maybe. Some crafting gear that we can take. I mean, there is this guy here in Dalaran, so I don't have to go to Stormwind. Maybe we can buy some things from him. There you go. Let me see, man. Let me see. Armor. No, let's do weapons. Ranged weapons. No. 200. Stave. Only usable. Usable only. So, we have, this guy is asking 10k for this. Are you kidding me with this? This guy is asking, intellect is at 212, he's asking 2k. I can take for the guild. My guild is rich in the alliance. You know? But I will not, I will buy this one. This is a 30. This is an intellect. Haste. I think it's mastery that we need. Haste, versatility, crit, and haste. Let's do versatility and haste. Alright? Haste and mastery, but this is an agility stuff. This one. Let's take this one. This is the good one, right? Stuff 200, buyout. Alright. And sun armor, sun cloth. Let me check here. This, what is this, man? These are level 78, man. Oh my god. These are so bad. Okay. Let me go to the guild. I have a lot of gold in the alliance. This is a 60% upgrade. Let's take this. Alright. Wait.
I have many lucky doos. You like?
Let's do this. Save.
Let's go.
And let's go to to my guild ball. I don't know. Let's take. Maybe we can take 10k or something. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, we can do. Withdraw. Let's do 10k. All right. Let's buy. I mean, the one that this is ridiculous, man. Let's buy some shoulders. Oh my god, these are so bad, man. Of course you cannot kill anything. Alright. Let's buy some shoulders, we say, right? Usable only. Search. This is intellect. These are 233. These are versatility mastery. These are good. 2,000 gold for this. Unbelievable, man. They are fucking me, of course, with this, but okay. Let's do. What else we can do? Ahead. To see something, there is something cheap there. Look at these guys asking for 3k. No, I'm not gonna give 3k. The shoulders were ridiculous low, that's why I bought them. They're asking the same here, 10k, 10k. Look at these guys, man. I mean, come on. This is a good one. This 2k for a waist. Oh boy, boy. All right, let's do only that. You know, we got a weapon and some shoulders because the shoulders are ridiculously low. All right, let's take the shoulders. All right.
Many deals for a friend of the Grummles.
And
like you.
There you go. Now we're
Well,
good.
friend of the
Let's go back. Wait. Yes, let's go back. All right. Now it's okay. At least we have a weapon, man. You know? It was way too low, man. Way too low. I mean, it will take forever to kill something. All right. Let's go. Now we're okay, I think. Look at the speed of this boy. Woo! Okay. There is a big bear in there. Now it's okay. Now we're hitting a little bit better. Alright. Oh, I got this one. Okay. Wait. Oh, he's done. Thank you. Let's kill this guy too. Ah, now we're talking. You see? At least he's hitting a little bit more, man. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Oh boy. Oh, he's froze. Look at that. This one? Alright. Beautiful, man. Hello? You thought you got me? No, you didn't got me. Perfect. Need to go up there. It looks like a tiny red dragon. Upstairs. Like this guy? Ooh, I like Lonely Winter, man. Oh, he's getting wrecked. Okay. What is this? I like it. I like it. I like it. It's good. It's good. It's fun. It's okay. It's okay. I like this playstyle. All right. I have the rotation. You see that absorb? It's actually working. It's actually working. It's not just for decoration as it was in Shadowlands. All right. Let's kill this guy. Okay. I used to play this character a lot in Warlords of Draenor. A lot. Alright. Okay. No. And we have altar time too, as Frost. That's good too. I mean, it was not possible. And it looks good. It looks good. Of course, everything looks good until you go to a battleground and you get wrecked, and it doesn't look good anymore, right? That is how it usually goes. You know, everything looks good until the moment you queue for a battleground, and then you get wrecked for some demon hunter. I have a demon hunter, by the way. That's why I'm saying. Everything looks beautiful until you get a demon hunter that will wreck you, and you will not even know what happened to you. And I know because I have one. What is this? What is this dog? What is this dog in here? Is it somewhere here? Where? He says that it's here somewhere, but I don't see it.
People have gone stiff or fled.
Okay. He has a thingy for the dragon, eh? Where is this drug, man? I don't see it, man. Alright. Okay. I didn't see it, man. Okay.
What's the situation?
Oh, mine. That's thank God we got something.
Wait. I need you for another vital task, Cadet.
I will see it done, even if it costs me my life.
Easy, young one. We will need our most veteran warriors to combat the rise of our ancient enemies.
Of course we will.
Head to the Lifefinder Conservatory and rally the Draconid to the life pools.
Let's go. Ooh. Who is this guy here? Is this Anduin?
Champion.
Yes, it's me.
I have been expecting you. We will draw their eyes above for you. That should give you some cover. We will meet you at a forward position when you've done some good work.
Let me kill the rare first. Alright? And then I will go talk to this. Let me kill this guy first. Alright, beautiful. Let's go. It reminds me of vanilla. Frostball, frostball, frost. But I like that. I like that it's not complicated, man. This is how it should be. Okay, let's kill this guy. Can I kill this guy? Maybe. Maybe I can. Alright. He looks good until now. We are doing some nice damage. Let's throw some of this. Oh, he got wrecked, man. That's the fastest that I have killed this guy. The fastest. Alright. What is this? This is a plate helm. That I mean, come on, dude. Give me something. Let's throw this. Let's throw the ball. Another one of these. Beautiful. That's a shadow priest, right? That is helping me there, right? Yes, sir. It is a shadow priest. I was reading somewhere that shadow priests are insanely good. It is a shadow priest? Oh, no, it's not a shadow priest, man. It's a holy. Alright, there is the guy there in it. Let's go. But it's good though, eh? My health is up there. I mean, I like the mage.
Got something to
until
report?
now. We will see.
Jareden consider the outpost a well-earned victory against their ancient foes. They're already talking about another raid, and another, and another.
And another.
It seems this is
and another.
just the beginning.
Okay. Please kill it. Alright, beautiful. Oh, come on. He throw the thing? Come on, let's kill this guy, Tore. Let's go. Oh boy. Relax, dude. You, relax. Oh, that's beautiful, baby. All right. Oh. All right. Perfect. What else we have here? Oh, we need to kill this big boy. He's dying to something. I don't know what. And he's dead. Thank you. Thank you, my boys. Let's talk to this guy. Let's throw this and this.
This better be important. The Jaredin were ancient foes of the dragons for a good reason. They're formidable fighters. The
Consal,
dragons
I know
left
this.
and the
This
Jaredin
guy
seized
is
the
in
moment.
here. It's a
And they
little bit
don't
weird.
seem like they want to give it back.
There you go.
Come then. The red dragonflight wasn't ready for the surprise attack. The Jaredin.
Nobody's
seem to
ready
be
for
hoping
Dice
for
Cube.
a tougher fight next time.
Oh, there you go.
Speak your mind.
Oh, baby.
Never let your guard down.
Thank
The
you very
Jaredin
much.
scheme to claim the Obsidian Citadel, the Black
All right.
Dragonflight's seat of power. Enough of this.
Patience, Rathian.
Patience, Rathian.
I will have the luxury of patience when they are scoured from my home.
Relax, dude. We're working on things. Okay, let me complete the 70% first, you know, and then we will go do the other thing. Okay. Let's go. Up. Relax. They get frozen. That's very good, man. I think because it's about a lonely winter that they get like that. Look at that. You see? Nope. Nope. You thought you got me, right? You don't, baby. Okay. Let's throw a ball in here. Let's do this one, and this one. Let's do some split, some dinky like this. Oh, they got froze. Beautiful. Oh, baby. They got wrecked, baby. 61? That fast? Alright, let me check the talents here. We will go for... We have this guy. Casting Island Frozen Targets. Oh, your islands against frozen target increases damage of your islands. Icy Vein is active. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. The Icelands thing. So we get more power to that. And that's the playstyle that I like too. You know? Let's go. Let's go. Let's kill these boys in here. Alright. That's good, man. We hit 61 fast, right? That's fast, man. Okay. Let's kill this one. We don't care about this quest, it's a side quest. We keep going. We're doing the main story only. You know, easily. We are going easy mode. We're not gonna level to 270 then with the level the main story only, but it's okay. It's okay, we will see.
The Isles. Cadet Sendrax is showing some real promise with her eager attitude.
Let's go.
She will be leading her own regiment if she continues this way.
Of course. Of course you will.
And stay low. We must save the eggs.
Let's go.
Our ambush was a success. The convoy yielded enough eggs to begin. Go now. Infuse them with the elements.
We will get those eggs, baby.
Wash away the stain of order. Work quickly. Outsiders have come ashore. We cannot let them interfere.
Of course not.
These eggs are our future.
All right.
If even a single dragon egg is in danger, we cannot remain in the shadows.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, you see? Iceland is doing a lot more damage now. Oh boy. Oh boy, he got wrecked. Okay. Hello. Hello, baby. Ooh. Now we're talking, huh? Now we're talking, baby, huh? I mean, that is some serious damage right there, huh? I mean, I don't have nothing. Remember that. If you have some here with this guy, I mean, there is some promise in there, eh? Oh boy.
Ground-bound sundered flames have stolen our supplies. Let's
Wait.
show them the superiority of air.
All right, let's get the books. Let's get the books, baby.
Oh! Stay away from those primal conduits.
Okay, dude. It was a mistake. Don't worry. All right. Oh man, this is good. There is some eggs in there that I can take. Let's go. Let's take it. Why not?
No.
Oh!
Not this. Not the whelps.
Oh man.
You deserved better. I am sorry.
Relax, Andrex.
It's up to me to help.
Relax. We have to kill them. We didn't have an option. Don't be so dramatic. Okay? Brain freeze. I don't even cast brain freeze and he was dead. Imagine that. What is this? Okay. Let's kill this guy. I like it, man. I like the Frost Mage. I'm having fun. I mean, for real. It's cool. I thought, I thought I was going to die like crazy, but again, this is good. Let's do the X. Let's do this X in here. Oh boy. Oh my god.
Sleep, small one, and be at peace.
You're so dramatic, Sandra. They have to die. We didn't have an option. Alright. Alright. Okay. I interrupted that like a champion. Like a rank 1 Zico. There is a rare. Yes, that one. We will check it out. Alright. I need to take this X in here. Alright. Beautiful.
Grandas Crosu.
There is a book in the fire, next to the fire. I need to take this and this. And there is a book upstairs. I remember the quest by heart now because this is like my 6th character that I leveled. But I was always leveling Horde, never Alliance. But I like this. I like the Ice Cube. He's cool. Alright.
We must save the eggs.
I got something?
This is my calling. Follow me.
What is this?
We'll charge the ritual
An
site
egg,
together.
baby. Yes, baby. Thank you. What is the rare, though? All right. What is my boy the rare? He dead? All right, he's dead. Yes. I think the other guy was going around killed him. Is that one? There you go. Let's go. All right. Let's throw this one. Let's throw this one. Oh boy, this is good. He's dead? Alright. Did I get something from this? No, nothing, man. Nothing. Alright. Let's go. What else is here? Ah, I killed this guy too. Okay. Let's do the weather machine. Meet Santrax. Let's go. Ah, we need to take the egg here. Yes. Yes, I learned this by heart, this quest.
Stay behind me. I will endure the conduit's flame while you grab the egg.
Don't worry. I'm here.
For the Lifebinder!
Come on, baby.
Now! Grab the egg! Get it to Alexstrasza!
Alright!
For the flight! For the
Let's go! Run, little boy!
future.
Run, little big. Run. Run, little Ice Cube. Ooh! No. You can't get me. You can't get me. Oh! I was too short for that. Look at this, look at this. Oh my god. No. I forgot that you cannot cast anything. Alright. There you go.
Aspects. Is that a dragon egg? I will summon the Major Domo at once.
Of course it's the
What
dragon
is
egg.
the emergency, Askra? Has the enemy... By the life binder. Is that an egg?
It is. I got it.
I serve my queen.
Oh, I have an upgrade here. Oh, that's big. Okay. Take me.
Life binder. Very well. Just this once. Hold on tight, if you can.
What do you mean? Because I'm short? Alright. I got the
Attendants alerted me as
thingies.
soon as a caravan of eggs went missing.
I got the thingies.
To
This
hear
one.
what happened to them.
Ooh. Alright.
Our flight has endured many blows over the years. We had just started to recover. And now this.
Don't worry. This expansion will go for a long
Red
time, so
Dragonflight
we
was
will be
charged
here.
with nurturing life.
Alright.
We must stop the Primalists. We must stop the Proto-Dragons.
We will.
Welcome to the Ruby Life Shrine, champion.
Let me check here.
I'm glad my Major Domo has brought you to me
Let me sell
safely.
some things in here.
But what
This,
brings you here
this, and
so
this.
urgently?
May
Alright.
your feet find good trails.
Hello.
Embrace hope.
Hello, Queen
What has
Alexstrasza.
happened to this egg?
Look at my boy there.
The energies that surround it are...
He's shorty. He's a shorty. He's a shorty power
This
frosty
is dire.
fun.
If the egg can be saved, it will be here, within the sacred waters of the life pools.
Oh boy.
Once the young of dragonkind filled this vibrant place.
Alright.
And the ruby oathstone, the very symbol of our calling, cast its bright glow high into the air
Awesome.
for all to see. Now it lies dormant, as do all the oathstones. I suspect they fell quiet when we relinquished our aspectral power. There are so many things we left behind. But now that we have come home, we can fulfill the callings of our flights and renew the 5 Oathstones.
Awesome.
And through their unity, our absent power shall be restored.
Cool. Let's go. Let's do that.
All life is worth saving.
Alright. Speak to Sioux. Let's go.
Through their eyes, you may come to understand our calling.
Alright.
The Isles have awakened. Each egg requires careful supervision.
What is that voice, man?
Their full potential. We provide that care.
Alright. Let's speak to this guy here.
I have lived to see them return. The Blue Dragon flight has endured terrible losses as of late.
I will bring you some more eggs, don't worry. What is this here? Okay. Oh. Let's go. Look at this mountain there. This is a good mount. Look at this. This is a 30-year anniversary mount. It's so cool, man.
Have you brought good tidings home?
All right. Hello? Hello? Okay.
We serve one the water that feeds into the Ruby Life Shrine.
These guys have more. This is the guys that have the more eggs, huh?
Tierhold. What do you mean the whelplings do not want to fly?
All
This
right.
should be second nature
Oh, that's
to them.
another big one. Finally, we are getting something, man.
I have many, many wares.
I mean, this has to be a record of the worst year that someone came to the expansion.
Oh, do not mind the little ones.
All right. All right. Let's go. It's a tailoring guy, this one. Look at this.
Aspect's grace shine down on you.
All right. Let's go. Oh. 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 Let's go do this one. This one is a good one, man. This one is a fun one. I like this one. There is another one here. Let's kill this one, the big one. All right. This one. This one. All right. They nerfed this? I feel like they die more, you know? Let's do this. Okay. I feel like they nerfed this, man. Ah, I need to kill these two, huh? And this. Alright. And this guy here. Beautiful. One more.
You have
Perfect.
instructed this young one well, adventurer. As they grow and prosper, so shall the shrine.
Okay. That's good. Let's go. Let's get the fly pad. Alright, let's do this one, this one, this one, and this one. And this one, and this one. Let's take some tea. Right? What? What is this? What are these demons? Beautiful. Let's do one of these. Ah, we need to do the thing with the... Okay. The Dragon Rider. Alright, let's go.
You are ready to explore our wondrous isles. Our drakes are excited to take to the skies of the Dragon Isles once more, and for you to provide an extra set of eyes to help them. This
Alright.
is dragon riding.
Dragon riding.
You will learn how to glide with a drake and move efficiently.
I am an expert Dragon Rider, man.
Let us
I
get
just
started
doing this
with
for
some
the
quick
XP.
lessons.
So don't worry.
How fare the winds today? Call upon your drake companion, then drop off the edge while moving forward. You will glide to your destination.
Alright. Let's go. Thank you. Ooh.
The sky, as you aim for the ground, you'll pick up speed. Use
Let's go.
this to fly faster, then level out to reach your destination.
Thank you. We are going places. I told you I was an expert.
Ah, you are doing marvelously. Finally, a dive can give you enough speed to rise up and over to a higher spot.
The gardens
Use
of the
your
Ruby
momentum
Life
to reach
Pools
your
are lush
destination.
and plentiful. Tend to
Thank
them
you.
and harvest our bounty, so that all creatures may feel welcome.
Thank you for the XP.
Sky calls.
You have a bright future.
All right. Let's do this.
Come to the Skytop Observatory. I will introduce you to others who can provide you with information about the other wonders.
Let's go.
Deal with your dread.
All right. All right. Let's go. All right. Can I make it? Yes, sir. I can.
How fare the winds to Glencera oversees the rostrum of
That was some nice free XP for us, baby. We did like half a level in there, man. Ooh, look at the toy. Can you hear the toy? It's insane, man. He's so good.
You would ask something of me.
Alright, I need to see if I have something for this guy that is new. I have this. I have the cluster, the thingy. I have the split. Ooh, that's good one, man. Let's do this, the split. I don't have another color though. So here we have the spikes. I will do the spikes. The tail, I will do the thingy. And the hair, bear, you can put hair or you can put fin. Let's put some hair. Right? Let's go. Okay. Call it. That's my boy there. That's my boy right there. Okay.
Ah, you have already met Salono, our resident gliding expert. But there is another here who can also
I am a
teach you
raider
about your
expert.
dream.
I
Seek
am
out
a
the
raider
professor
expert too.
and see what she has to say.
Dude.
Do you seek knowledge? Come
Alright.
see me again. We will not repeat our history.
Alright. This one? Ah, okay. I have all the things.
We have been scattered.
Let's go. I collected all the things. Alright. And
Alex Strasser sees you. Protect the flame.
baby, let's go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Ooh.
The Sky Core. Keep watch for our outposts. They are all over the Dragon Island.
Perfect.
As you explore, we will be there to aid you in your dragon riding journey. For now, farewell and discover all.
Okay.
Holth Eldon Shi.
Okay. Ooh. All right. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go here, man. Right? Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep leveling this boy, this bad boy. Put some speed right there. Ooh. Okay. Look at this, man. Look at these graphics, dude. The Walking Shore and these are my favorites. The other two I don't like that much, to tell you the truth. Yes. All right. Ooh, boy. All right. That's good. All right. Let's get the other one. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Look at this place, man. This is so cool, man. Look at this. Unbelievable, huh? The work that they did, the artists, I mean. The art team. Look at this. Ooh. Look at the speed of my boy. Ooh. No. There you go. Alright, and there is some guy here that we need to see. Wait, let me check here. There is an innkeeper here. Eh? I wonder where the portals are. The portal trainer, you know? It should be in the capital. I could go to the capital, you know? But do I need them now? Yeah, I don't think so, man. Alright. Let's keep going. And he's somewhere in here. This guy. The queen. Oh, it's the Guhu. Oh boy.
I serve my queen.
I am too.
What is it you...
What?
Is the land shifting?
What?
I sense this may be much worse.
Okay. We look at this. I got, oh my god, I got caught in the tree. All right. There you go.
A storm.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's the electrifying dragon.
Major Domo, protect the eggs below while I distract Razagan. She
Let's
will
go.
not harm our young.
Ooh.
They dare strike at our home. Our queen.
Commander, what news from the front?
Don't worry.
We've made some progress, Major Domo, but there's a lot of killing to be done yet.
Okay. There is some big dragons in here, eh? Let's kill this one, the big boys. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh, they got wrecked. They don't know what to attack. Look at this. Brain freeze? Perfect. Thank you very much. Let's do the big boy now. Woo, baby. All right. Oh no. Why? Oh man, I wait too long, man. I should have blinked, man. Oh, look at this. There is an aerial fight too. I weigh too much, man. I should have thrown a blink in there. I was too weak. Okay. I'm good now? Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I forgot that he broke in pieces. This guy. I have to be careful with that. When they are about to die, they separate. The big boys. All right. Okay. All right. That's good. Let's stay together. All right. Beautiful. There's another one there. I need 4 of these guys. Oh boy. All right. Oh boy. Perfect. These guys are not taking, I mean, like 0 damage they're taking. 0. Thank God did he die. Alright. I am only 33%? Dude? Really? Alright. Let's do this one. He's frozen. And he died. Okay. Oh, there is another big one. Let's go. I will try the cooldown here. This one, and let's go. See if we can kill him faster, man, this time. Alright. Perfect. I have these 2. I have to get used to use this spell, you know, Cone of Call. I forget many times. That is bad. You're a bad mage when you forget those. Those are very important for survival. But you know, I don't play mage a lot. I mean, it was a long time ago. Alright, that's the thingy. Alright, let's go. Okay. For example, he's coming. You throw in a cone. You see? You freeze him. He's done. And I forget to do that. But that's the right way to do it, actually. That's how you play the mage. Spells are, are circumstantial. You don't have a rotation as a mage. All right, let's kill this. Okay. Let's throw this. Again, you see, he's coming. You con it. He's done. Uh-oh. You can do this too. Double throws. You see? That's the way to go. Alright, let's do this and this. Let's throw this one. Oh boy. Oh, that's beautiful. He has a triple. Oh, baby. Oh, he got me. I have to throw some defenses in there, man. I was going to die again. Alright. Let's kill this guy. Brain freeze. Ah, he didn't have a chance, this guy. Good. Good, 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 good. You can interrupt this guy. I think you cannot do anything to him. Alright. Oh, he's going to die just like that? That's cool. Look at that big boy. He's convinced. Okay. He died very, very fast. Okay. This one? Alright. Con it. And he's done. That's the way to go. Oh! And you also have Ice Nova. That's another. You can use it as a defensive spell. You know, you stop them. So at the end, you know, it's all circumstantial. You know, with the mage, with the Frost mage, at least. All right, let's do this one. Beautiful. There is another one here. Perfect. Oh, I got something, man. What?
Anything to report?
What is this? Oh, this is a nice ring, baby.
What is your need?
Okay. We need to rescue some guys in here. Let's go. Oh boy. Okay.
You will not harm the eggs.
Oh.
I protect the life pools.
Pathetic tool of the Titans. You are no true dragon.
Beautiful. They are all dead. They die like nothing. Oh, that was a good rain that I got there, eh? That was a good rain. We're gonna hit level 62 here, eh? Just going around, eh? That's good. What is this real? Let's get it, let's get it. Oh no. Alright. I frozen. Interrupt this bad boy. Another froze. He's dead. Let's go to the rear, baby.
Do they know the truths you kept from them? How you locked us away, denied our existence.
It was the only path to peace. The war that divided dragonkind had to end.
Oh, this is a tough one, eh? Let's throw these guys. Distract this boy. Oh, that's perfect, man. Beautiful. This is good? No, it's not. Ah, there is another egg here. Let's take this one. Oh, I need to do this, guys. Oh, oh! Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh, baby. Oh, you're so dead. Okay. I am bleeding, man. There is another one here. Okay. This one, this one. Come on, baby. Oh boy. This is the other egg that I need. Okay. I will recover a little bit and kill the big boy. Alright. He's frozen. Perfect. And this one. We need the Azure egg. Let's get that.
We were meant to be the guardians of Azeroth. The forces you seek to unleash will imperil us all.
False Queen.
Oh boy.
It is your blind allegiance to the Titans that threatens this world.
She's not wrong. Okay. And this is the other guy that I need. Let's go. Let's throw this one here as a defensive, this one, and this one. And they're dead. This is the Azure egg. Okay, I need to kill the Proto-Drex man now. This is not good. This is not good at all. There is one in there, let's go. Alright. Shit. Alright. I need one more. These are tough to kill for me, to tell you the truth, because they come to you, you know, and they fucking tank you. So, as a clothy no year, it's not good. At all. I need one more proto. I see one in there, one guy. Can I get this one here? Yes. Alright. Okay. What happened, man? Alright. He left. Let's wait for another one. This one? What? Are you kidding me with this? He frost logged me. And he left, of course. Phew. Wow, man. He frost logged me and he left. Just in case. And I wasted the thingy. Oh my god, dude, what? Thank you.
We call the strong to protect the weak.
Oh boy. 62. That's perfect, man. We got here. This is the one for increased move. No, this one. All of your reserve effect reduce the target movement speed by another 10%. Exactly. Exactly. Yes. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. By another 10%. So, you know what I mean? Alright. Wait. Should I wait for the icy veins? Let's wait a little bit, man. So we don't struggle. I have the mirror image almost to defend myself. You know? I have invisibility. I have greater invisibility. So, let's go. Let's kill him. right? Let's go. He will attack the other guys. That's good. That's good too. Interrupt. Icy veins. Stop it. Yep. He died. That's epic. That was a...
Enough! We need not fight another war.
That was an epic fight. Right there.
Reason. Time is precisely what you stole from me. Thousands of years rotting in that prison.
Oh yeah.
I failed then to restore peace between us.
That's not good, man.
Too many paid for that. Spare me your sanctimony. You forced the Titan's edict upon us all. You betrayed the world that gave us life. And when we dared resist, you cast us out. Never again!
Oh boy. Oh, that's not good. Oof. Oh. Oh boy.
Your false reign must end!
Oh, she got stunned, man. Ooh, that's not good.
You are bold, well played. But you are fighting on the wrong side. She never told you the suffering they inflicted upon us. The insult of being forgotten. I want her to watch helplessly as everything she built comes crumbling down.
Oh boy.
Only then will she meet a fitting end.
Okay. Let's go. Oh.
The elements will sing within the hearts of your young.
Oh man, I almost make a mistake here. What is this? Ah, this is not good for me. Alright. Thank you.
I can help.
Oh, I got the shoulders.
Queen
Eh?
awaits.
That's big, man. 259. That's perfect. Let's go. Let me sell some things in here
You like?
that I don't want. And
May your feet
this.
find good trails.
So we always look good at all times. Perfect. Let's go. Wow, we did 62, baby. That was cool. That was fast.
My queen! You took a mighty blow. I will call for aid.
I will be fine, Solistra. The eggs?
Rescued. Safe. None remain in the clutches of the Primalists.
Alright. That's good.
I am happy to see that I arrived just in time.
Okay.
We called a strong.
Rathian, you have my gratitude.
Rathian always wants something,
Your
man.
aid was unexpected, but appreciated.
It was an honor to stand with you, my queen. I trust your flight will now assist us in claiming the Obsidian Citadel from the Jarradin.
Of course we will, after we see to the safety of the eggs.
Surely they are secure now that Razagath has been driven away.
Oh god. Oh boy.
Oh, you do not know her as I do, young one. She is an unpredictable foe. For now, we must remain at the life pools and safeguard our future.
Our future? Or yours?
Or yours.
The Obsidian Citadel was built to defend all of the Dragon Isles. You cannot abandon the legacy of my flight to the hands of our enemies.
Oh boy.
I would have expected you to care more for the protection of helpless eggs, Rathian.
Stay then. Tend to what matters most to your flight, and I will save what matters most to mine.
Alright. He always wants something, this guy. Always. Alright.
I serve my queen.
Beautiful.
Greetings. Please, find Rathian. He will need your aid if we are to renew the Obsidian Oathstone.
Let's go. Where are we going? Ooh. Okay. He's somewhere in here, eh? There
I
you
have
go.
gathered the Black Talon, and we are preparing to take back the Obsidian Citadel. Your presence on this mission is most welcome. The
Of course
Traxxir
it
are
is.
formidable soldiers.
I am ready to serve. The Obsidian Citadel may hold secrets of my people's past.
Oh, this is a huge thing. No, 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 no.
There is much to be done.
Alright. Okay, let me check something here. What is this?
Some of those crafted weapons have surely fallen into Jarradin hands. They can be used against us.
Bye. Enough of that.
Oh, there is an engineering guy here.
Be careful out
Okay.
there.
Alright. Let's do let's stop it here. Let's do a let's I think it's a good session. We did 2 levels in here. Actually 2 levels and a quarter. That's very good, man. That's very good. That's very good. This is a fun class, man. This is a fun class. I mean, imagine if you had a year for this. This guy that doesn't have nothing, he's doing good. You know? That was cool. That was perfect. Alright. That was a good session. 2 levels. Mage, Alliance, Gnome. Dice Cube. He's good. He's good. I like it. It's fun. We will keep doing some things with this guy. I have the Dead Knight too. The Unholy. As he's going up. And I have a priest, I think. I'm doing that, you know, I'm doing that. Chilling, leveling. Here and there. He's good. He's good. He's chill. Alright, we will keep going with this guy. Perfect.